Another day, another English lesson. Continuous infinitives. Have you ever seen a sentence with to be plus verb, ing? That's the continuous infinitive, and it helps us talk about actions that are, or were, in progress at a particular time. This structure is useful for emphasizing ongoing actions, especially when they happen alongside another event. Let's explore how it works. What is the continuous infinitive? The continuous infinitive is formed with to be plus present participle, verb plus ing. Examples: to be running, to be sleeping, to be working. This structure shows that an action is, or was, happening over a period of time, often at the same time as another action. How do we use the continuous infinitive? 1. After certain verbs. Some verbs are commonly followed by the continuous infinitive to describe ongoing actions. Examples: she seems to be enjoying the party. She is enjoying it right now. He pretended to be sleeping when I entered. He acted like he was sleeping at that moment. They appear to be arguing about something. They are arguing as we speak. Common verbs used this way: seem, appear, pretend, happen, claim, when referring to ongoing actions. 2. After modal verbs for present/future ongoing actions. We use the continuous infinitive with modals, must, might, could, should, to suggest something is happening now or will be in progress later. In this case, we do not use to before the continuous infinitive. Examples: she must be waiting for us at the cafe. She is probably waiting right now. They might be traveling to Spain this time next week. They could be in the middle of their trip. He should be studying for his exam. He is likely studying at this moment. Now watch and fill in the blanks with the continuous infinitive of the verb in parentheses. One. She seems to be having a great time at the concert. Look at her dance. 2. He pretended to be paying attention, but he wasn't. 3. The kids must be waiting for the bus to leave. 4. The baby appears to be sleeping peacefully. 5. He would love to be relaxing on a beach right now. 6. The workers claim to be working overtime this week. 7. She might be giving her presentation at this moment. I'm not sure. 8. The students are supposed to be studying for the test now. 9. Your son seems to be making a lot of progress lately. 10. The suspect is believed to be hiding in the area right now. Thanks for learning with Worldwide ELT. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English language lessons.